Good evening, all of. My name is Pooja Subhash Patil. Today's date is 13th April 2022, and today's bio topic name is array and collection in Java. So let's discuss about array is a whole data, only the same type of data in its collection. Um, Only homogeneous data types elements are allowed in case of arrays. Then collection is a collection is the uh, can hold both homogeneous and heterogeneous elements in our Java programming. That's Arrays can hold both object and primitive uh, types of data in our programming. Then no key arrays collection. Then difference of a array and collection. First one is a size array are fixed in uh, our programming, and then size is once the declare in array with the specific size. It's declared the we cannot alter its size in our programming. The collection is dynamic in size based on requirement. Size could be get alternated even after its declaration process. Then second one is a memory compilation. The arrays due to the fast execution consumes more memory and has better performance uh, in compared to collections. Then collection on the other concepts consume less memory but also have low performance as compared to array. Then third one is a data types. The data types are array can hold the only the same type of data in our programming, and collection it's only homogeneous data types elements are allowed or stored in case of arrays. Then collection on the can hold both homogeneous and heterogeneous elements in our Java programming. Then fourth one is a primitive storage. In array can hold both object and primitive type data on in our programming. The collection can hold only object type but not the primitive type of data. And then fifth one is a performance of a the performance of array due to its storage and internal implementation better in uh, performance as compared to collection. The collection process uh, with repeat to performance is not recommended to use in our programming. Then next one is a array and collection in Java. Uh, the most important key differences between array and collection. In array, given the parameters are used. First one is a size array is fixed in collection. In compared to collection is a dynamic size in our programming. Then second one is a data array. The data array can store only homogeneous type data. uh, Collection can store homogeneous as well as heterogeneous data types in our programming. Then third one is a data storage. The data storage array can store primitive as well as objective. Collection stores only object in our programming. Then next one is a data structure. In array does not have any standard data structure. So no ready-made methods are available in collection supports standard data structures. So ready-made methods are available in collections. Then fifth one is a memory. As compared to memory, array is worst choice memory, while as compared to collection is best choice in our programming. Then next one is a performance. The performance wise, you are thinking array is a good choice performance, voice collection is worst choice in this situation. That's all about today's topic. I hope we can understand. Thank you.